But still, the sheer diversity of the underwater world at Rangiroa is impressive. A massive shoal of humpback red snappers is having a rest after the exertions of their nighttime hunting. They are predators, but during the day, they congregate in large shoals to seek protection from bigger hunters. The reef is teeming with wildlife. But there is no sign of great hammerhead sharks. In the wide expanse of the South Pacific, it's like looking for a needle in a haystack. Again and again, the freedivers go down to look for them. They have to remain vigilant. Other sharks are ready and waiting. Gray reef sharks. They often congregate in the channels between the islands.